you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Maybe I'm the one.
Yo, brother. Me I tell you that. Me I tell you. Me no love how you place around.
Hey, oh.
You place around boring, you know, see that?
Place boring for two,
place
man.
boring,
Yeah,
dog.
yeah.
You see me, no little enjoyment, no little fun, no
yeah,
little nothing. You see me?
Yeah, keep on inside party, man. Alright, what's the
How time a curfew?
curfew? At 3 o'clock, they say, no?
You know, 3:27 out now.
Yeah, man, then curfew not start long time, man.
Yo!
Oh,
Hey, boy, yeah.
what?
Make we go live. I say we down, boy.
Yeah,
Make we go
boy.
live. Make we need.
No believe that mess.
Yeah, the man. Yo.
Obiela.
But
Obiela.
yo,
If they catch you, you know much money.
they not catch me, they not catch me. Yo, make we go live with that.
You go live. You go
Me
live.
go live now, you know.
Go live.
Say, if you
Yo,
turn
you
up,
go
you
live.
say, we are go down. Turn up, make we
Go
go
live.
live.
You want go live, brother? You want the police?
But-
All that jam.
But, yo, nobody. You see, I see, I see, man. That fear.
Be a go, brother.
Yo, you're not gonna do that.
You want
Yo.
go live. You want go live, man.
You may send a blessing, we outside. We partner them girl outside. Yo, tell them say we not go in. No. Tell them say we not go in. I promise that we not go in. Tell him that. Me no fear that no police. Put it. For now, me and put it apart now. Me and put it apart. You may say we not go in outside with them. Me not take down my life. So that me tell a man, you know. Outside, we partner them girl outside. Bad we bad. Them. To them. What do you feel like? Say now. Live me did it, no? Touch you there, no? The boy put it on. Put! Come on, Ghana.
Yo, we're going! We're going! Hurry up, I'm over! We're going! Look at boy going in! Alright, now I'm reading down this right now. Look at boy, me say going! You're not here, what me I say? You're not here! Me say going! Going! And don't come back out to say a shot skinny do back up in your head, youth! Alright! Walk on! Oh, boss, boss. Yes, boss.
Negative K. That's
I don't have one, bossy.
Kitty Cabby in the corner.
Alright, here we go on, boss. Send none of them back order for you, boss.
Okay, couple soon.
Alright, come
Where are
there
you?
close, man. But them
Okay.
phone come back to Mobile.
We're sending one soon. Over.
Yes,
You
boss.
copy me?
I don't at airport today.
Oh, okay.
Alright, boss. Later.
Okay.
Hey, boy, take so long to come. Oh, sit down.
Hey!
I need back to catch him in there, turn me two mother lying down. Oh my God, I catch him, I can't believe it.
I know me, officer! Try to find me something! Hey, officer! Try to find me something! Hey, oh, you find me something! And then all you people out there in this town, you can't find me.
I need backup!
What I do? You know what
He's a bad man!
Oh, me no man!
And let me go! I need
I
backup!
know you! Let me go! Officer, me a come! Go on!
Let go! I used to go to the run here.
Officer!
I need backup, he's a mad
No,
man!
no, man! Officer! Me a go!
He said run!
Alright!
7 o'clock news time.
Hello and good night to you all. Today, a man was caught violating the rules of the curfew and was violating the Prime Minister. Today, we are here with Tajmar MacLeod at the scene.
That's new, we're back here with the...
Missy!
too big.
Wait. Oh, we're back with the residents. You're gonna tell the story of how this happened. Can you guys explain how this happened, please?
Because me see man, the policeman fly off of there with like my ninja. And run go down the go lie down side of two my dog.
So that's how it happened. What did he? Can you explain to the news? What? Jesus God! Can you explain what in the news that happened? that led to this, please? Please, can you explain to the news? Can you explain?
Big man. Hold on. One, two. Come here. Hey. Come here. Hey. Come here.
Go on people, now come to the end of the video. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the video. Yes, peace out.